For the second time in the history of this channel, YouTube has removed a video. Now, they didn't strike me, which strikes me as fair, because the first time they struck me, it was because the automated system removed the video because in the title, I had used the word rant. That's all I can figure out. And when I brought it to the attention of the YouTube team to be reviewed, my video was restored. Today I got a notification from YouTube that another of my videos was removed. And when I saw the video that they had chosen to remove it and why they had chosen to remove it, I was both perplexed and amused, because clearly, well, I guess I should back up, but clearly the person who reported my video was from one of two categories. Either one, they didn't watch the whole video, so they didn't realize my video was a parody, and debunking, and then followed by debunking this guy who I got banned because he was putting out false information about COVID-19, about SARS-CoV-2. And then I proved my point by debunking part of his video, in which he shows a video of a girl who supposedly had a COVID vaccination and was sticking coins and keys to her face. And he was claiming, Stu Peters is his name, he was claiming that they were sticking to her face because the COVID-19 vaccination had magnetized her skin with nanocrystalline magnets or some crazy nonsense like that, which is something that has been done outside the human body but not within the human body, at least at the time that I looked at the actual information on that particular claim that was being made by his guest, who was not a medical or scientific expert and was not an expert in the field she was discussing. So the two categories of people are, one, the person did not bother to watch the whole video, so they did not realize I was parodying the girl's video and the claim made by Stu. Or two, this was somebody who was trying to get revenge on behalf of Stu. I don't know which. I don't really care. But you know, it's if you use your brains instead of just automatically saying, "Oh my God," and freaking out, you realize there's no possible way that those coins and keys, which were made of non-ferrous materials, in other words, materials that cannot be attracted to magnets, could be attracted to a magnetized skin. And it was so obvious to me and so ludicrous that Stu would point to that, which either he's like Donald Trump and he thinks we're all idiots, or he is an idiot. I don't know which. So I reviewed the video. I already knew what it was. I made it in 2020, 2021, I forget when, and it's been on my channel for all that time, no problem, until this Yahoo, maybe a well-intentioned person, I don't know, decides to mark it as being in violation of the rule regarding COVID-19 and accurate information. So I have asked them to review it. They don't give me the opportunity to explain why it needs to be reviewed. So I'm hoping that a real person will actually watch the whole thing and realize, oh yeah, he's parodying the girl doing the fake magnetism thing and debunking Stu Peters. And the greatest irony is that video was part of what was apparently, as far as I know anyways, I'm theorizing here, used to ban Stu Peters, at least that particular channel. He has another channel because he used to be a bounty hunter. I don't know why he stopped, but he did. So I will hopefully update with good news that YouTube did the right thing and reinstated the video, since it actually was debunking bad information about COVID-19 vaccinations. Yeah. Then again, given the complaints made by some YouTubers about their content and other people's content being removed for a variety of reasons having nothing to do with COVID-19, I don't know what's going to happen. But, you know, the first time that they made a mistake, they fixed it. So I'm hoping that once again they'll fix it. Just wanted to share this with you. Be on the lookout for the return of the parody/debunking video on magnetized skin caused by COVID-19 vaccines. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day.